Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize your rice cooking experience. We're talking about the CUCKOO high-pressure rice cooker, model CRP-P1009SB, a 10-cup uncooked, 20-cup cooked capacity powerhouse in sleek black. If you've ever struggled with inconsistent rice texture or found yourself wishing for a more versatile cooking solution, stick around, because this cooker might just be what you're looking for. Let's start with the sheer versatility this CUCKOO cooker offers. It boasts 13 distinct cooking programs, which is a significant number. We're not just talking about a basic white rice setting here. This machine can handle GABA or brown rice, sticky rice, and even has a dedicated mode for scorched rice, often referred to as new rung G. This scorched rice function is particularly interesting. It's designed to create that slightly crispy, toasted layer at the bottom of the pot, a textural delight that many enjoy. Beyond rice, the multi-cook mode opens up possibilities for steaming vegetables, cooking grains, or even preparing other dishes, making it more than just a rice cooker. The capacity is another major selling point. With a 10-cup uncooked capacity, it translates to a generous 20 cups of cooked rice. This is fantastic for larger families, for those who meal prep extensively for the week, or for anyone who frequently entertains. You can cook substantial batches without worrying about multiple cooking cycles, saving time and energy. At the heart of its intelligent operation is the fuzzy logic technology. This means the cooker isn't just following a preset timer. It uses sensors to monitor temperature, moisture, and cooking time, adjusting the cooking process in real time to ensure optimal results for whatever you're cooking. Combined with an easy-to-read LCD display and intuitive one-touch controls, this takes the guesswork out of rice preparation. You select your program, press start, and let the cooker do the rest. This is where the no guesswork, just great rice promise really comes into play. One of the standout features is the high-pressure cooking capability. Pressure cooking significantly reduces cooking times, and when combined with rice, it can lead to a more tender and flavorful end product. CUCKOO has implemented a safe steam release system that is designed to be quiet and automatic, ensuring a smooth and safe operation. This is a crucial aspect for user comfort and safety, especially with a pressure appliance. Now, let's talk about what's included. CUCKOO doesn't leave you wanting for essentials. The cooker comes with a non-stick inner pot, which is crucial for easy cleanup and preventing rice from sticking and burning. You also get a rice spatula, a measuring cup to ensure you're using the right rice-to-water ratios, and a steam plate. The steam plate is a brilliant addition, allowing you to steam vegetables or fish simultaneously while your rice cooks below, maximizing the cooker's utility. A user manual is also included, which is always appreciated. This comprehensive package makes it a great option for a gift or a straightforward upgrade to your kitchen. On the pro side, the versatility of the 13 cooking programs is a huge advantage. The large capacity is ideal for many households. The fuzzy logic technology and pressure cooking promise superior results and efficiency. The safe and quiet steam release is a welcome safety and convenience feature. And the inclusion of all necessary accessories is a thoughtful touch that adds value. However, like any product, there are potential cons to consider. High-pressure rice cookers, especially those with advanced features, can come with a higher price point. While the 13 programs are great, some users might find them to be more than they need if they primarily cook one type of rice. The size of a 10-cup uncooked capacity cooker can also be substantial, so kitchen counter space is a factor. And while CUCKOO has a good reputation, as with any appliance, individual experiences can vary. In conclusion, the CUCKOO high-pressure rice cooker, model CRP-P1009SB, is a feature-rich appliance that aims to deliver exceptional rice and more. Its intelligent fuzzy logic, high-pressure cooking, and extensive program options make it a powerful tool for any kitchen. For families, meal preppers, or those who appreciate perfectly cooked rice with minimal effort, this cooker presents a compelling case. Link in the description.